Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are fine. Today our topic is important MCQs. Let's start now. Choose the correct option. Which solution are not reached through proper algorithms or work planning? Option A, prepared solution. Option B, candid solution. Option C, strategized solution. Option D, best solution. Guess करें which is the correct option. Don't worry, I will tell you the correct option. The correct answer is candid solution. Dash is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Option A, matrix. Option B, graph. Option C, flowchart. Option D, solution. The correct answer is flowchart. Which symbol in the flowchart is used to either start or end the flowchart? Option A, terminal. Option B, connector. Option C, process. Option D, decision. The correct option is terminal. Dash means to test if the required solution is there. Option A, verification. Option B, algorithm. Option C, validation. Option D, flowchart. The correct option is verification. In a dash error, the solution is working but not giving required results. Option A, random. Option B, logical. Option C, syntax error. Option D, runtime. The correct option is logical. The expression A plus B into dot A plus C is equal to dash. Option A plus B dot C. Option B, A dot B plus A dot C. Option C, A dot B dot into C. Option D, A plus B plus into C. The correct option is A plus B dot into C. The order of application of two separate terms is not important in dash. Option A, associative law. Option B, commutative law. Option C, distributive law. Option D, identity law. The correct answer is commutative law. Is it cold outside? Is dash. Option A, Boolean proposition. Option B, categorical proposition. Option C, moral proposition. Option D, none. The correct answer is Boolean proposition. Number 17 is equal to dash in binary system. Option A, 1 00 00. Option B, 1 0 1 1 0. Option C, 1 0 0 1. Option D, 1 0 1 0. Tell me the correct option. Don't worry, I will tell you the correct option. The correct option is 1 0 0 1. 1 petabyte is equal to dash. Option A, 1024 power 4 bytes. Option B, 1024 power 6 bytes. Option C, 1024 power 5 bytes. Option D, 1024 power 7 bytes. The correct answer is 1024 power 5 bytes. Hexadecimal system has total dash numbers. Option A, 17. Option B, 16. Option C, 18. Option D, 15. The correct answer is 16. The IPv4 address is made up of dash binary bits. Option A, 31. Option B, 29. Option C, 32. Option D, 30. The correct answer is 32. Routing is process of taking data from one device and sending it to another device in different dash. Option A, channel. Option B, network. Option C, path. Option D, area. The correct option is network. DHCP stands for dash. Option A, data hosting computer protocol. Option B, dynamic host computer protocol. Option C, dynamic host configuration protocol. Option D, none. The correct answer is dynamic host configuration protocol. Communication protocols covers dash. Option A, authentication. Option B, error detection. Option C, correction. Option D, above all. The correct answer is above all. The receiver must be capable of accepting the dash. Option A, protocol. Option B, message. Option C, address. Option D, information. The correct answer is message. Which of the following does not include the type of software piracy? Option A, soft lifting. Option B, liability. Option C, client server overuse. Option D, online piracy. The correct answer is soft lifting. Which of the following is not a cybercrime? Option A, hacking. Option B, phishing crime. Option C, identity theft. Option D, decryption. The correct answer is decryption. Which of the following is not the characteristic of phishing emails? Option A, office data breach notification. Option B, email account update. Option C, IT reminder. Option D, similar domain of actual website. The correct answer is IT reminder. Which of the following is not characteristics of phishing website? Option A, similar domain of actual website. Option B, using of forms to collect visitors. Option C, actual link to web content. Option D, email account updates. The correct answer is actual link to web content. Which of the following is not the characteristics of good password? Option A is 8 character long. Option B does not contains username. Option C contains uppercase letters. Option D, password is your name only. The correct answer is password is your name only. An individual list item can contain another entire list called dash. Option A, ordered list. Option B, unordered list. Option C, nested list. Option D, definition list. The correct answer is nested list. HTML is not a dash language. Option A, programming. Option B, markup. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. The correct answer is programming. Web pages can be created and modified by using dash. Option A, Notepad++. Option B, Notepad. Option C, TextEdit. Option D, all. The correct answer is all. An HTML element usually consists of a dash tags. Option A, start. Option B, end. Option C, title tag. Option D, HTML tag. The correct answer is title tag. The dash element is a container for metadata. Data about data is called metadata. Option A, body tag. Option B, head tag. Option C, title tag. Option D, HTML tag. The correct answer is head tag. To save the HTML page, you can use dash as file extension. Option A, .htm. Option B, HTML. Option C, XHTML. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. There are dash of headings in HTML document. Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 6. Option D, 1. The correct answer is 6. Dash tag is used to display data in tabular form. Option A, TD. Option B, table. Option C, TR. Option D, TH. The correct answer is table. A hyperlink can be applied to dash. Option A, image. Option B, text. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. The correct answer is both A and B. In body tag, dash is used to make a picture of a background image of a website. Option A, BG. Option B, background. Option C, BG image. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is background. Hope you must like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.